Turn, Ryan, get it. Say boom.
My turn. Ryan.
That's okay, Lily. It's a little hard for him. Come on, Ryan, get up. Your turn. Get it. Stand up. Okay, I'll just have to show you. Your turn, Lily. Get it. Oops, excuse me. Such a doof. His foot's stuck in it. Your turn, Ryan. Get it. Hit it towards him. Maybe it'll help him.